course. Here start from chapter 1. The first chapter indicates about the furthers on set. We seen about the set and elements for the first topic. Here the definition for set. Set is a collection of well-defined objectives, that means noun objectives or elements in brass, like this one. You put the elements in this brass, then if you close with this both left and right brasses, then you call it what? Set. For example, a set of natural numbers represented as n is equals to, here is you open with this brass and 1 2 3 4 5, and there is 3 dots is indicated goes on, and you close with this brass, and it contains 2 brasses and there is an element or the well defined objectives, then you say this one is set. And if you will come to the element, if A is a set, that means written as in the form of well, or the collections of well objectives, then the objectives of the collection in A are called what? Elements. That means the members of set A. For example, here from this 1 2 3 4, these all are what? Member or elements of A. But if X is an element of set A, then we write as, here we say this one, X is an element of set A, means X belongs to what? A. This we write as X is an element of what? A. That means X is in A. And here, if X is not an element of the set A, not an element or it's not belongs to A, then we write as X is not an element of A, and we represent set by what? A capital letter. Here this capital A is indicates set, and here is A, but this small x is here element is by lowercase letters of set is you can represent elements by what? Lowercase. Here x is the lowercase, then this indicates the element. For example, here this let set B is equals to A. Here A, then the number of this element here, the only element of B is what? This set. But A is not element of A, because here A is not in B, but here the set B is again in set B. And let C, capital C is indicates the set contains this collections of elements. Here A, B, and A. This one is how many elements? 1 2, here is 3 and 4 elements. And set A, B, this contains only 2 distinct, that is A and B. And here is the next example is, let A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6, then insert the appropriate symbols, element or not element, in the blank. Here the given problems are 5-A, that means here is 5 is present in A and 5 is an element of A, and 8 is not in A, then you say 8 is not element of A. And C, 4 is an element of A because 4 is in A. 0 is not in A, then 0 is not element of A. 0 is, here is, it's repeated. And 1 is an element of what? Element of, here is 1 is element of A. And 10 is not element of what? A. Only 10 is not element of A. The next topic is about the set description. We describe sets within four methods. The first method is about verbal method. That means we make the statement form or set is written in ordinary English language statement form. That is, we can represent the set of description with verbal method in English language or statement or in word. For example, the set of whole numbers greater than 1 and less than 20. That means we list or we remember that the set of whole number which is greater than 1 and less than 20 means whole number 2 up to what? 90. And the second description is about completing listing method or roster method. For this method, all elements of the set are what? Completely listed. You list completely. For example, here, the set of positive factors of 24. Here, the factors of 24 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 12. Then it is what? Listed completely. Then this one is again the set. The third one is partial listing method. Here, for this partial listing method, if the listing of all elements of the set is difficult or impossible, that means you cannot list as the completing listing method. If you cannot list this as completely, then you say what? Partial listing method. Then you use 3 dots and indicate the list by what? Listing the few elements of them. For example, the set of natural number less than 100 described as what? You can list some numbers or some elements and you put by 3 dots and you separate by commas and up to 99. That means a natural number between what? Between up to 99, or it is less than what? 100, or it is less than or equals to 99. Then the third, not here, third is fourth. Okay, here is the fourth is set builders method. Method of defining properties. That means you can make as a variable. Member must satisfy the common properties in given property. For example, here set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10 can be described as in the set builder as what? A is equals to x such that x is an element of natural number and x is what? Less than 11. Then this set is indicates what? The set builder of this set. Thank you for your attention.